Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create drop-down list in Excel using data from another sheet. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see in this Excel file I have two sheets. In sheet number 1 I have a name of employees and department column, and sheet number 2 list of department. So here I'm going to create the drop-down list from another sheet. So let's start. So first go to the sheet number 2, and here I'm going to create the name range. To create the name range, simply select the entire column. This is the name box, name range you can create from here. Okay, select the first and edit this name range. So I simply enter here in short department list, okay, and press the enter key, and that's it. Your name range is created. Click on this drop down arrow, and here you can see the created name range is showing. Now go to the sheet number 1, and here select the range of cell and go to the data tab. In data tools group, in data validation option, click on this drop down arrow and click on the first option, and here you can see the one dialog box open, data validation. In settings tab, in validation criteria, in allow, just click on this drop down arrow and select the list option. In source, press the is equal to and enter the name of just I created as a department list of name range. Okay, name range. So I just enter here the department list. Okay, and click on OK. And that's it. And here you see the list of departments showing as mentioned here in sheet number 2. Okay, so this is a way you can create drop down list from another sheet. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.